Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have been struggling with belly fat and you don't know how to go about it, no gym, no equipment, no complicated diet meal, this video is made specifically for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly what to eat and the exact exercise that you can start doing right in your living room to start burning that belly fat. And I'm going to keep this very simple. No confusing sciences, no expensive product, just real practical stuff that work. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to give you the full daily routine diet and exercises that you can start with today. So let's get right into it.
Energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for?
So before I talk about what to do, I need to quickly explain why belly fat are so hard to lose. Because once you understand all of this, every other thing makes sense. Belly fat, especially the ones around the organs called the visceral fat, is directly linked to high cortisol, which is the stress hormone, right? It can also be linked by eating too much of sugar, refined carbs, and not moving well enough. And here is the key things that people miss out. You cannot spot reduce belly fat. And doing 500 crunches a day is not enough to melt that belly fat. What actually burns belly fat is the combination of moving your body enough and eating in a way that is going to keep your insulin low and your metabolism high. And that is exactly what you are going to be doing in today's video. So let's talk about food, and I promise this is going to be simple. Rule number one, cut out liquid sugar. This is going to be one of the single biggest change you can make. You see that soft drink, the juice fruit from a pack, the energy drink, or the sweetened tea all contain pure sugar that go directly into your bloodstream. And that spike your insulin. Then an insulin is a fat storage hormone. Basically, you can replace all of that with water, plain tea, or a coffee. And just doing this one thing can cause a notable change within 2 to 3 weeks. Rule number two, eat more protein at every meal. Protein keeps full body longer. It reduces cravings and it also burns more calories just to digest. So you don't need to go and buy a protein powder. All you need from your house is the egg, the fish, the beans, the grog yogurt, the milk. These are all you need and they are your best friend. So make sure you have every source of this among your protein food that you contain every single day. Rule number three, reduce refined carbs. Do not eliminate carbs. See the white bread, the white rice, the fried rice, the sugar snacks, all of those digest too fast and they spike up your blood sugar. And it is not necessary you stop eating carbs completely. You can replace them with a better option, with something like sweet potato for the white bread, brown rice for the white rice, then oats for the sugar. Rule number four, eat more vegetables and fiber. Fiber slows digestion, it keeps you full, and it helps you to feel good gut bacteria, which play a major role in belly fat reduction. So you can fill half of your plate with vegetables at lunch and dinner, cucumber, leafy green, carrots, tomato, or whatsoever is available to you. Rule number five, watch your portions, especially at night. You don't have to count your calories, obviously, but your biggest meal should not be dinner. You can eat more in the morning and in the afternoon. Then you eat lighter at night because your body burns less while you sleep. So those heavy dinner gets stored in your body. And here's a quick breakdown of how you can eat on a day. For the breakfast, 2 boiled eggs plus oats with no sugar or whole grain. Then for the lunch, you can take the brown beans or sweet potato plus grilled fish or chicken or salad. Then for the dinner, you can take a light soup or small portion of proteins and vegetable. Then for the snacks, you can take fruit, you can take nuts or yogurt. No biscuits, no chips. That's it. It's actually simple, affordable, and it works. So we are done with the food diet aspect. We now need to talk about the home exercise, which is going to be the second combo. This routine is going to take you just 20 to 25 minutes to complete, and you need zero equipment to do this. And you need to do this at least 4 times in a week. So we are going to be doing a cycle of 5 exercise, 40 seconds on and then 20 seconds rest. And you can do this about 3 rounds depending on your choice. So the first one on the list, jumping jack. This is your warm-up and fat burn. It gets your heart rate up fast. 40 seconds full effort. Even if you have a slowdown, keep moving. And the second on the list is going to be mountain climber. Get into a push-up. Drive your knee towards your chest one at a time, alternating fast, and this is an absolute belly fat killer. It works your core and spike up your heart rate at the same time. 40 seconds, keep your hips level. And so the third one is going to be the squat jump. Stand with feet shoulder wide apart, squat down and explode up into a jump. Land softly. This burns a massive amount of calories because it uses the biggest muscle group in your body, like your legs and glutes, for 40 good seconds. Then the fourth on the list is going to be the bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head. Bring opposite elbow to opposite knee while extending the other legs. Go slow and control. This is one of the most effective core exercise you can do. It hits the side of your belly too, not just the front, for a good 40 seconds. Why the fifth one is going to be the burpees. I know nobody likes burpees, that is clear, nobody likes it. But burpees are one of the most effective and most powerful fat burning exercise in existence. Stand, drop your hands on the floor, jump your feet back to a plank, do a push-up if you can jump, your feet back in and explode for 40 seconds. Rest for additional 90 seconds between each fully round. By round 3, you should be breathing hard. And that is the point. That's after the burn effect, whereby your body keeps burning more calories even after you stop the exercise. And that is what breaks belly fat over time. Bonus tips: on the off day, go for about 20 to 30 minutes walk. Don't ever underestimate walkings. It lowers the stress on your body, burn calories and lower cost too, which directly helps to reduce belly fat. Two more important things that people don't realize. Number one, sleeping. If you sleep less than 6 hours a night, it's going to help your cholesterol to goes up, and then your hunger hormone goes crazy. In this sense, you are going to be craving for more sugar and you are going to store more fat. So it is ideal to sleep for about 7 to 8 hours. And seriously, sleep is for free and one of the most powerful belly fat loss tools that is available out there. Number two, stress. Chronic stress equals to high cholesterol equals to more belly fat, and you should find a way to decompress it. Even just a 10 minutes of quiet breathing prayer or walk outside the house can lower that cholesterol meaningfully. So to recap, burn belly fat by cutting out liquid sugar and processed carbs, eating more proteins and vegetable, adding 20 to 25 minutes of high intense home exercise, and doing that for about at least 4 times in a week. Add sleep and stress management on top of that, and you are going to see a real result within 4 to 6 weeks. It is not magic, it is not a secret, it is consistency with the right habits. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow, and if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I post simple and effective home workout with some health content every week. And I want you to drop a comment for me in the comment section. I'm curious to know about which of these exercises are being hard for you to do. And I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and keep moving.